So hello everyone. Today I'm going to basically demonstrate the scanner. The scanner here that I'm going to demonstrate today is known as the rocket scanner. And the reason why I want you guys to know about this rocket scanner is because it's so powerful. The first thing that you want to do here is you have something called charting.com. Okay, so how will you navigate here? You'll just go to Google and then search for charting, right? Once you click on charting, this is the website, https charting.com. So you're going to click on this charting.com here and go ahead and make an account, right? Once you have your account created, you would be able to basically um, find this particular scanner. Okay, now once you have this particular scanner, now the scanner isn't free. So I'll let you know how you can go and get the access for this particular scanner. But right now, I just want you guys to, concentrate on the scanner, the power of the scanner, okay, and basically how to use this scanner. So the first thing that you guys want to do is, so this particular scanner is a momentum scanner. So basically, it's meant for intraday purpose. So what you want to do is, right when the market opens, right, you would find these kind of, stocks popping up. Now, what I want you guys to do here is right around 10 o'clock or 10:10 a.m. IST. I want you guys to basically run the scanner. Okay. So once you run this particular scanner, what happens is you will get these kind of stocks. Okay. The names of this particular stocks here. Okay. Now, the next thing that I want you guys to do is either, tap here in the percentage change so that you get to see what are all the top stocks with the highest change. Or alternatively, what you guys can also do is come here, click on this volume, and sort when you sort these stocks by the descending volume, that means with the highest stocks with the highest volumes, right? Once you do that, you will basically choose the top three stocks from here. Okay, so in this particular case, in today's case, back in 10:10 a.m. During 10:10 a.m. I had shortlisted three particular stocks. The first one being the Bharat Forge, second one being the Mahindra and Mahindra Limited, and the third one being Bajaj Auto. Now the reason why I skipped Tata Motors Limited is because it did not show up during 10:10. Okay, now the result that you see seeing here, of course, because I'm recording after the market ended, therefore you see that there is some change in the order. So ideally, the top three stocks at 10:10 a.m. were Bharat Forge, Mahindra Mahindra, and Bajaj Auto on the um, 9th of September. Okay, so on the 8th of September, sorry. So now, what I have to do as a part of this particular strategy is, once I have these stocks selected, these three stocks that we have selected out of these 17 stocks, you have to go back to trading view. Okay, once you're in the trading view, you have to navigate to the 1 hour chart. Once you're in the 1 hour chart, what I want you to do is, for the first candle that you have, the first 1 hour candle that you have, I want you to mark the high of this particular candle. Okay, once you have the high of this particular candle marked, then I want you to drop down to the 5 minute time frame. So once you're in the top in the 5 minute time frame, what you can do right now is, what you will have to do right now is, you will have to basically wait. Now wait for what? Wait for a breakout to happen. Okay, breakout of this particular high. So what exactly is a breakout? The breakout is when a bullish candle will close above the high, above the last high, or the high of the 1 hour candle, on the first 1 hour candle of the day. Okay, so if you see, I had marked this particular line. This line basically signifies that, and this particular candle here, it basically did its breakout on the 1 hour candle, on the first 1 hour candle. Now right here, what I also want you to observe is, you have the volume. The volume here, if I double click on this, right, you would see in the inputs, I have the MA length as 200. The MA basically means the moving average. So out of the 200 moving average period, in the 200 moving average period, this volume is greater than that. Okay, since this volume is greater than the last 200 moving average volume, I would basically enter on the close of this particular candle. Now there is another particular, I would say, um, confirmation that I use, which you will see is this blue line here. This blue line is not an AMA, and I will not disclose this particular confirmation to you guys yet, because this is part of a strategy that I'm still testing. So as of now, what you guys need to do is basically um, wait for a candle, bullish candle, to close above the first 1 hour candle closing, right? And confirm that uh, with the volume that you see here, which is greater than the 200 period moving average, right? Now, basically what you want to do next is you would want to place your stop loss. So this is the 10 a.m. Candle. Okay, so this is the first 1 hour candle, right? So after this 1 hour candle has closed, right? It closed right around here, 10, 15, right? So 9:15 to 10:15 is the first 1 hour, right? So once it has closed, right, you want basically want to see how much pullback has happened till then. Okay, so ideally the pullback has happened from here all the way till here, so 24 points, 24.5 points, right? So you would want to place your stop loss right here and basically aim for 1:1. So you can see that we have very comfortably reached 1:1. Once you have reached 1:1, ideally the strategy says that you have to basically put your stop loss in the break even. When I say break even, that is like basically where you have bought this particular stock, right? So you put it in a break even spot, and yeah, and then you just if you want you can hold, if you want you can book your profits. By no means these are financial advices, but these are part of the strategy that I have, right? And I'm showing you. So if you had held this, right, you could have easily achieved 1:2 as well in today's market, right? So you can see here 1:2 in today's market, and it's pretty much the same thing that you want to do for the other stocks as well. Um, Here in this case, let's say Bajaj Auto, right? So if I go to Bajaj Auto, I'll go to the 1 hour time frame. The reason you already see this particular drawing here is because I had taken the trade on this day. So again, what do I want you guys to do? Go back to the 1 hour time frame. Once the first candle has formed, right, I want you to mark the high. Then I want you to drop down to the 5 minute time frame, and then I want you guys to patiently wait for a breakout to happen. Once this breakout happens, which happens in this particular candle, I want you to you guys to place the stop loss right around the last pullback, which is this, and basically aim for 1:1. That is going to be your first target, which we had reached during 2 o'clock. And then of course, if you want, you guys can hold for 1:5, 1:2. I'm not sure whether we reached 1:2. Yeah, we did reach 1:2. So what I want you guys to understand here is, so this is a purely a momentum based strategy, and this strategy has been curated based on multiple confluences that I have seen and observed in this market. And this uh, strategy works pretty well, honestly. And what I'm going to do from now on is I'll probably post live videos of live market videos. I'll try to post them, or I'll try to post other um, videos of certain stocks which did hit the targets, right? And yeah, so now the question is, how are you guys going to get this particular scanner? So to get this particular scanner, I'm going to put a link in the description. You guys can go there and you guys can purchase this particular scanner. Once you purchase it, you will get the link to that particular scanner, and then yeah, you guys can basically use that scanner and use it as a confluence. Okay, do not use it as a confirmation to your trade. Use it as a confluence. Add more confluences to your trade, so that you feel more confident in moving ahead with this particular stock selections. So use it as a confluence. Do not take it as any sort of financial advice. I am not say by registered. So yeah, my idea here was to show you guys this particular strategy, and definitely if you want this particular screener, you can go ahead and click in the description below, and there you will find the link to this particular scanner. Go ahead and purchase it, support me, so that I can come up with more strategies and help you guys out. Yeah, so that's all for this today's video. I'll bring more videos here. Make sure to stick around, like this video if you enjoyed, like this video, give me a follow, if you really like the scanner. I'd be really happy to understand more from you guys. Okay then guys, thank you so much. That would be it for this particular session. Have a good day.